there was something missing, that there was a piece missing.
I came into it with zero expectation, but even if I tried to imagine what it was going to be like, I could not have even imagined.
It's a wild ride. Pushes you to challenge yourself.
If you can picture a flower just opening one layer at a time to get right to the center.
Because I had so many stories, you know, in my head and in my life about why I couldn't do stuff or why I was the way I was, and now that's all gone.
I feel like moving forward, I'm surrounded by a web of sisters that will always have me no matter what.
I feel unstoppable. I feel unbridled. I feel fucking free.